All right, so this is gonna be an unboxing video of this Raptor liner. And I picked this, just wanna make sure you guys know, we're talking about the UP0820G. And the letter G here in the end actually means that it comes with the spray gun included. Looks like the 2021 models or the UP0820 without the G here. It doesn't come with the gun anymore. And I don't know why, but the price jumped from $100 in the past for a kit with the gun to about $140 now. And the newest one, it is actually $100 and $140 without the gun. So this one comes with the gun. So let's check it out. See what comes inside. It is imported. So we will have your regular 4 bottles. Those are plastic bottles. When I was looking online, I thought that those would be metal, but they are actually plastic. Has a strong smell of it, very strong. And yeah, it is heavy, right? When you open here, I thought it would be a seal or something. It doesn't have the seal. It's a very thick, black, kind of rubberish stuff. Also in the box, you're definitely gonna get your gun. It's sealed. This thread here is specifically designed for this gun. Has a long nozzle, adjustable nut here, and then what goes inside the bottle. You will also get a measure cup for your hardener. The hardener is right here, 32 fluid ounces, almost a liter. Not much to talk about it. So in the bottles itself, and this one actually came damaged through packaging. Very interesting. They sent me a replacement bottle. Has a small crack here. So I'm not gonna put this outside. Yeah, in the box we would only have here now the 4 bottles with this stuff. Really great product. I will be applying this to my staircase going down the basement. Unique project. Haven't seen this in YouTube before. Hopefully you guys like. Hopefully it comes out with great results. Thank you guys. Bye.